Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I'm doing finished jewelry for Bargain Bead Box April showers for April 2025. If you're not familiar, the Bargain Bead Box, it's $22.99 a month, and usually the beads are valued at $60 or over. For this month, they were valued at $102.79, so that's literally $80 worth of free beads. So, yeah, they had a couple different gemstones in this box and everything, so I had so much fun with this. So my first video, I made this beautiful pendant necklace, and I added some of my own Miyuki seed beads in the AB color, and because I wanted a little pop of a little bit of a depth to some of these. And then I just took my jump ring and I wrapped it around, and then I put the bead cap right there to cover up that hole so it looked a little dressier. You could do it on the other side. I didn't do it this time. And then I just did that and then fed the wire up through there in a circle and came down and made this. And I used the really pretty green agate beads, or amazonite. Were these? No, these were amazonite. And these were jade. So, yeah, so I loved doing this. And then I made these cute little stormy cloud earrings. And I just used an eye pin and I attached this. And then I took the jump ring and I put, let me get it. When they're hanging, they look better. And then the little cloud, and then I put the little storm in, the little lightning bolt in there. So when you're wearing them, they're showing like this, the way they're set to do that. So I thought this is really cute. And then for my last one, I did a tutorial for this gorgeous memory wire bracelet. And I did use some of my own 11O Miyuki seed beads. I used some of the white and some of the baby blue. So they, they look the same even though they aren't. They don't really stand out too much difference in color. And I just did little sections of what I wanted to do. These rhinestones were absolutely gorgeous, these beads. And then I did a couple little charms. So yeah, so this is what I did. And I still have a ton of beads left. I have, let me show you. I have these. I didn't even open up these yet, the amazonite rondelles. I have tons of the crystal. I haven't even used the faceted drop beads. I've got these. I've got these. I didn't use any yet of the teardrop briolet. I can't talk. I only used a couple of the clouds. I still have these clouds. I still have this, the chain, and I still have some more storms and a couple of these. So when I say I got my money's worth, I got three pieces of jewelry, and I still have all these left. So I could probably make 2 more necklaces or 3 more bracelets or 10 pairs of earrings with these. So you definitely get a good price for all these. So I will leave links to these 3 tutorials below, as well as a link to the Bargain Bead Box below. BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. You can use that coupon code. And I will also leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest. If you're interested in any of my jewelry, I do sell it on there. So I hope you enjoyed this, and do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment if you get a chance. I'll talk to you later, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.